Maximize passive income with MXC multi-token mining. Best 2024 guide. Imagine earning passive income while supporting sustainable crypto. MXC multi-token mining offers an eco-friendly way to mine multiple cryptocurrencies with minimal effort and energy use. Curious? Let's break it down. MXC's advanced tech combines the M2 Pro miner, low-power LoRaWAN, and the Data app, making mining efficient and accessible. Unlike traditional systems, you mine tokens like $MXC, $DHX, even $BTC, all optimized for profitability. Getting started is simple. Set up the M2 Pro miner, download the Data app, and bond $5,000 MXC for 90 days. Your miner syncs quickly, ensuring fast and sustainable earning potential. Boost earnings by increasing your bonded MXC tokens and maintaining a health score above 90%. Want flexibility? Adjust your bonds every 90 days for peak performance. Why just earn when you can contribute to a sustainable future? Start mining with MXC and lead the decentralized revolution. Take action today. Hit that Mine Now button and secure your financial independence with MXC. Don't wait. Start your passive income journey now. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and check out our next video.